plotted along the y-axis. Vertical dotted lines, you can see these vertical dotted lines that indicate the price opening and closing for the respective days. Now this black color candlestick that represents the price opening, yesterday's price opening. What we were expecting was that we expected a crude to continue its downtrend till 4,720. Unless until the price breaks 4,720 and put a strong price action above that, we expected crude to continue its downtrend. Let us see what happened after that. After the price opening, there was some momentum. We cannot deny the fact that the price was supported at 4,660, because on the previous day you can see there was a lot of support around 4,660. So the price initially went up and then there was a drop. The price came back and tested 4,660. Again it gave a bounce back. It went up till 4,710. Again there was since we expected some good selling around 4,720, the price came down and again it tested this 4,660, closed near 4,666. So on seeing the entire price action, we can say little bit the price stayed above the previous day's closing, which is, you can see this tiny black candlestick that indicates the previous day closing. So we can say that the price stayed above 4,660, which gives us some sign that price has got some strength to move up, but it is not just an indication that it is taking some support, that's all. But the trend remains the same, because you can see when the price touched that, see how far the selling was there. Once it entered the 4,720 zone, immediately the price was pushed back down. So that is a major reason we expected the price to clear this zone, so that we will get a confirmation, so we can go along with the trend. So trend is, as far as the trend is concerned, it's still down. Today we can expect the market to open more or less near the same zone. There is no much changes. The biggest changes that today we have crude oil inventory report around 8 o'clock. So that can really provide a clear direction. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session and also on seeing the report. Now let us move on to copper. The charts and everything, all the parameter settings are the same. So you can see this black color candlestick that indicates the price opening. What we expected yesterday was that we expected the market to continue and maintain its downtrend, since it was maintaining a downtrend till 4,426. So this zone, why we had chosen this zone, we can see here, you can see a lot of resistance. So we want the price to break this 426, then we expected that if there is some buying, the price will move from this zone, and quite naturally it will be supported by the averages also. So what happened is that after the price opening, we can say the price opened somewhere, it is a speculative opening, so the price opening might have been somewhere around 424 or somewhere. So initially there was a buying, it went up till 425.3 approximately. Since we expected some resistance around 426, that pushed the price down. You can see it is a complete drop. So the price dropped and it is testing the low which was created. Today also we are expecting the price to open more or less near this 20th zone. So as usual, there is no doubt about the trend. So unless until we get something above 426, there is no chance that the price can recover. Today we have a lot of news. Go to forexfactory.com and you can see what are the news available. So a lot of news is ready to flash today, so you can expect some volatility, but we strongly believe that the price will stay in line with the trend. That is the major reason we keep on saying the same thing. Don't try to trade against the trend. So betting against the trend always hurts. Sometimes you may end up with profit, but most of the time it always hurts. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and follow the support, resistance and trends very carefully. Thank you for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.